Hey, this is PJ with CLKsupplies, and this is the ASP A-19-108 Honda keying kit. This kit is everything you need to rebuild the tumblers inside of a Honda lock, and that includes the ignition, the door locks, and trunk locks. Honda has had a notorious problem with their wafers wearing out and causing problems where the key's not going to turn in the lock. And the most cost-effective solution for your customers most of the time is just going to be to replace the wafers inside. The kit's going to come with 20 each of these half tumblers here. It's going to come with 30 springs, and then it's going to come with 10 each of these full tumblers. So whether you're working on a ignition or door lock, all the wafers in the front here are going to be the split ones, and usually up here at the tip there's going to be the full size wafers. So typically, like on an ignition here, you're going to have to, if you turn it and you remove this roll pin, this whole plug is going to come out, and then you can take the key out, take one wafer out at a time, and replace it with wafers. That typically, unless the key is really worn, is going to fix the ignition issues or door lock issues. Thanks for watching.